tourism in Italy, a phrase that conjures images of sun-soaked vineyards, ancient Roman ruins, and the bustling streets of fashion-forward Milan. Welcome, travelers, to a journey through Italy's most captivating destinations. Begin in Rome, the eternal city, where history lives and breathes in every corner. Stroll through the Colosseum, soak up the majesty of the Vatican, or make a wish at the Trevi Fountain. Rome is a treasure trove of antiquity, waiting to be explored. Head north to the rolling hills of Tuscany, where vineyards and olive groves paint a picturesque landscape. Don't forget to visit Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, where the Duomo and Michelangelo's David stand as testaments to human creativity. After exploring the scenic beauty of Tuscany, journey further into the heart of this region to Chianti. Famous for its robust wines, Chianti offers far more than just vineyards. Navigate your way through the medieval villages of Radda, Castellina, and Gaiole, each boasting its own unique charm and history. Here, time seems to slow as you stroll through narrow cobblestone streets, under archways and past stone houses that whisper tales from centuries past. But the pièce de résistance, the Chianti Classico? Don't miss the chance to taste this world-renowned wine, a true embodiment of the region's rich terroir. And let's not forget the local cuisine, a perfect pairing for your wine, offering a gastronomic experience that is quintessentially Italian. For fashion and design enthusiasts, Milan offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition. Witness the grandeur of the Duomo di Milano or indulge in luxury shopping at the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele. Italy's culinary delights are world-renowned, from the creamy risottos of Lombardy to the hearty lasagnas of Emilia-Romagna. Each region offers a distinct flavor palette. And of course, no trip to Italy is complete without tasting authentic Neapolitan pizza in Naples. Venice, the city of canals, exudes romance at every turn. Glide through its waterways on a gondola, or lose yourself in the labyrinth of narrow streets and bridges. The annual Carnival of Venice is a spectacle of masks, costumes, and timeless tradition. The southern region of Italy is a sun-drenched paradise. Explore the rugged coastline of the Amalfi Coast, the ancient ruins of Pompeii, or the pristine beaches of Sicily. And let's not forget Sardinia, an island of turquoise waters and white sand beaches, perfect for a summer retreat. Italy also caters to winter sports enthusiasts. The Dolomites are a haven for skiing, snowboarding, and breathtaking mountain scenery. Or visit Lake Como, a serene getaway that has charmed celebrities and travelers alike. As we conclude this journey, remember that Italy's charm lies not just in its landmarks, but in the warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the simple joys of its cuisine. And this is just the beginning. Italy has countless more gems waiting to be discovered. So, have you ever been to Italy, or do you dream of visiting? Share your Italian experiences or your travel aspirations in the comments below. Every journey begins with a single step, and Italy is a destination that promises 1,000 unforgettable moments. Arrivederci.